Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson I will teach you about the path selection and direct selection tool, so let's go.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
To understand the path selection and direct selection tool, first we will need a path, and here we will use the pen tool to create a path. In selection tool, there are two selection tools available. Path selection tool and direct selection tool. First we see the path selection tool. With path selection tool we can move any path. In other words, to move the path we use the path selection tool. We can't move the path with move tool. The move tool will move the object of active layer, and this time I have only one layer, that is my background layer, and it is active, so it's moving the background. So to move the path we will have to use the path selection tool. Now let's see what is the purpose of direct selection tool. With direct selection tool, we cannot move the whole path as you can see here. But, we can move the anchor points. We can select and move the single anchor point like this. We can select and move the two anchor points at a time. We can move the all anchor points one by one. And we can also move the selected anchor points as you can see here clearly. And to move the whole path, we will have to select the all anchor points, otherwise we can't move the whole path at a time. And not only the single path, but we can also move the multiple paths even on single layer. See here we can move the both paths separately. And we can also fill these paths with any color. First we will create a new blank layer. Then we will go to paths. If paths window is not available, just go to Windows and choose paths. Now to fill the path with color, go to path. Press and hold the Ctrl key and left click on path thumbnail to convert the path into selection. And there is also another way to do this. Select the path and click on this load path as a selection button. When selection is active, go back to layers. Select the paint bucket tool and click inside the selection to fill the color. Now if we delete the color filled layer and go to path, see the path is still available. But the question is how to delete the paths. To delete the path, go to paths and click on this trash button and click on yes to confirm. Now it's time of today's bonus tip. If we are creating a path with sharp edges, but later we want to convert the sharp edges into soft round corner, go to pen tool and select convert point tool. Place the cursor on anchor point and drag the mouse. This will convert the anchor point into handles. And same as, if you want to convert the handles into sharp edge corner, simple click on the anchor point. This will again convert the handles into an anchor point. I hope this will be helpful for you. To watch more lessons please subscribe to my channel. See you in next lesson.